Using fenugreek seeds to deal with dry skin. Fenugreek seeds and lemon. Take 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Soak the fenugreek seeds inside a bowl water and then leave it overnight. Each morning, grind the seeds to some smooth paste. Add some fresh lemon juice for this paste and blend well. Apply this paste for your hair and scalp. Leave it on for half an hour. Wash hair having a mild shampoo. Condition and allow your hair air dry. Fenugreek seeds and curd. Take 1/2 cup curd and a pair of teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. Soak the fenugreek seeds within the cup of curd and then leave it overnight. Each morning, grind the seeds and also the curd to some smooth paste. Apply this paste for your hair and scalp. Leave it on for half an hour. Wash hair having a mild shampoo. Condition and allow your hair air dry. Fenugreek seeds and Indian gooseberry powder. Take 2 teaspoons of powdered fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoons of Indian gooseberry powder and 4 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Combine all of the ingredients until you receive a smooth mixture. Apply this combine for your hair and then leave it on for 25 minutes. Wash with cool water and mild shampoo. Condition hair and allow it to air dry. Fenugreek seeds and coconut oil. Take 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and a pair of teaspoons of coconut oil. Soak the fenugreek seeds inside a bowl water and allow soak overnight. Each morning, grind the seeds to some fine paste and add some coconut oil towards the mix. Apply this combine for your hair and then leave it on for around half an hour. Wash hair having a mild shampoo and condition. Enable your hair air dry.